I'm going to show you real quickly how to navigate the Lumenier project workspace. When you log in and go into the workspace, this is pretty much the view that you're going to see. The main dashboard here, which you can get to with the activity button, is where we'll do most of our communication. If you want to mention somebody, share information about the project, you can do it right here in the activity stream. If you want to mention somebody, just click @ and then type their name, and you'll see they'll show up. And this is for if we want to talk about something, or you can attach files right in here and everybody will see it. You just click share. To your right here is all of the tasks for the project. And if you're assigned a specific task, you can see it here. Or at any time, you can see your individual task by clicking up at the task button in the very top blue menu. And then the tile underneath it is project links. So this is where we're going to keep all of the links for the project. We've got the Dropbox and the link to the home page. Once we start building out the site, we'll also put the link to the build out here. This is kind of the main dashboard area. The other area you'll be using is milestones. The milestones section, it's fairly self-explanatory. You can see which milestones are in progress, what the next one is, which are complete, and then which ones haven't been started yet. That'll kind of give us a project overview at any time. Got the name of the milestone, the week that it's scheduled is what this center section is. This date down here is when it's due, and then this is who it's assigned to currently, and then the status. So that's what that tile means. If you want to dig down into any milestone, you just click on it, and it pops up. And each milestone has its own individual information, and then its own tasks. So when tasks are assigned, they'll be assigned within the milestone. So right now, if we're working on mock-up landing pages for verticals, if there's a specific task, it will be assigned. Right now you can see that this entire milestone is assigned to Kaylee, who's their designer working on it right now. But that's where individual tasks will be assigned. You can also use the activity to comment within each milestone as well, and as long as you mention people by using the @ symbol, people will get those notifications. But I think it probably makes more sense to close out of here, go back to activity, so that everything's in one place when everybody's communicating. And then we have a track to go back to, a history to go back to of everything that's happening with the project. And then the only other thing I would point out is your notifications are up here. So if you anything you've been mentioned or anything's been talked about that you don't see here, you will have your notifications all listed up here at any time too. And you can set email settings to get specific emails and notifications. You can do that in your particular profile settings. So that is basically a quick overview. There's more as we dig deeper into it, but for now I think that's probably the main things that are important to know. In the milestones, you'll see these move around as we work through the project, but you should be able to get to everything here. And then any questions, just let us know.